When the first rains of the season gently tap on the forest canopy, wild bamboo shoots silently rise from the earth. No one plants them, no one tends them, yet year after year they emerge faithfully, a priceless gift bestowed by nature. For the Highland people, wild bamboo shoots are not just a source of food that has sustained generations, but also a symbol of their deep connection to the mountains, to honest labor, and to a rich cultural heritage. There are many varieties of wild bamboo shoots, each with its own unique character. Bang La is small and slightly sweet. Bang Nua is pale and tender. While Mang Tragai carries a bitter edge, often favored for its strong flavor. That's why wild bamboo shoots appear in nearly every meal in Highland households. From wild shoots, people create countless delightful dishes. The simplest is boiled bamboo shoots with chili salt, crunchy, sweet, and full of earthy fragrance. Stir-fried bamboo shoots with garlic, rawlot leaves, or forest pork make flavorful, aromatic meals. One standout dish is braised fish with bamboo shoots. The subtle sourness of the shoots combined with the richness of the fish and the heat of forest chilies creates a perfect harmony, turning a humble meal into something unforgettable. Bamboo shoots are also used in soups, sour bamboo soup with fish or minced meat, or bamboo shoots simmered with mountain chicken. During the cold season, a steaming bowl of pork bone soup with bamboo shoots warms both body and soul. In many Highland homes, pickled bamboo shoots are a must-have not just as a side dish, but as a preserved memory of forest flavors, lasting through the seasons. Even in today's modernized world, wild bamboo shoots remain as cherished as ever. They are not only valued for being clean, nutritious food but also as a vivid testament to the bond between humans and nature. Each bamboo shoot season comes and goes, leaving behind memories of misty mornings spent harvesting in the woods, of steamy pots of bamboo soup over a wood stove, and of the lingering forest aroma that fills the corners of rural kitchens. Lotuses bloom in the summer, showing off their beauty amidst the cool green ponds. Under the blazing sunlight, each pink petal gently unfolds, releasing a soft fragrance that fills the air. The lotus is not only beautiful but also symbolizes purity and grace, reflecting the spiritual beauty of the Vietnamese people. Rising from muddy waters yet remaining pure, the lotus represents strong will and resilience. When summer comes, seeing lotuses blooming across lakes and ponds brings a sense of peace and calm, soothing the soul in the sweltering heat.